What's up, YouTube? Today is a glorious day. Wanna know why? Because we have here the original 1994 Kawasaki 750 SX that I learned how to ride a stand-up on. So, this thing I finally just picked up. It's been, what, 27 years later? And I finally get to rebuild this thing. The initial assessment, this gel coat is really bad on the bottom. The pump housing is shot, and we're going to do the impeller too, and maybe the drive shaft, depending on how bad it is. So the engine was full of water. I don't think it affected the fiberglass. The engine is supposed to be in good condition. I haven't cranked it yet. We haven't put a battery on it yet. Definitely gonna have to do the carbs. We got a bad steering cable. We got to do the steering cable. These start and stop wires look to be pretty frayed. I already replaced the gas cap on the front. That was cracked. A little bit of glass work maybe there on the nose. New chin pad. New hydroturf. New bumpers maybe too. And I don't know, maybe that's it.